I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is part 9 of Time Records, filtering the time record screen. Okay, so I'm going to go into my time records, and if you have a look at our filtering cluster at the top, you will see that I have no filtering on at all. So effectively what this means is I'm looking at every single time record for every single matter on every single date in my entire firm going back to the beginning of time. So you could use filtering for various reasons in order to draw reports for statistical analysis, whatever it is that you need to do. So I'm going to show you what these various filterings do. Your standard and most common filtering is matter current. And what that does, whatever matter you're standing on here on the matter screen, if you go into time records and your filtering is set to matter current and everything else is set to all, it is showing you all the time records for this particular matter, irrespective of fee earner, user, date, billable, non-billable, whatever. So this is all the fees that have been based on time for this particular matter. So let's revert it back to all, and then we will see what the other ones do. So cost center. I can select a specific cost center. So what this filtering is telling me now is I'm looking at all the time records for the fee earner Jennifer Daly on all matters over all dates. Okay. Employee, I'm looking at all the fees by a specific employee on all matters over all dates. At build, I want to see the non-billable activities on all matters for all dates, and those would be things like lunch or anything that you've elected to not bill for. By the same token, all build activities on all matters for all employees. And here by activity, I want to see all the matters where we attended court. So these would be all the matters where the billable activity was attending court. And you will notice with each of these selections, totals and number of hours is also displayed. So what I can gather from this, on all of these matters, we attended court for a total of 141 and some change hours and generated that amount of fee from them across all the matters. Okay. Just to further expand on the matters, as we've discussed, all matters will display all. Current selection will display the current matter that you have highlighted on the matter screen. Filtered will display matters if you have filtered your matter screen. So let's say you filtered to only show High Court litigation matters, and you come in here and you say filtered, the program will only show you time records for whatever's filtered on the matter screen. Tagged, if you have tagged various matters on the matter screen, you come in here and you say tagged, you will see only the time records for the matters that are tagged on the matter screen. And then date, this is fairly self-explanatory. Today will show you today's fees, this week, yesterday, this month, last year. And then you have a custom date range where you can put your start date and your finish date, and the program will then filter all the time records between those particular dates. Now, you can use these in conjunction with one another. So I want to see Michelle Bentley's build activities this month. So effectively, employee Michelle Bentley has billed 6.5 hours worth of work and generated 12,000 rands worth of fees this month. So that would be from the first of the month up to the current date. And you can use this for reporting purposes, for statistical purposes, and so on and so forth. So do remember your filtering can be used in conjunction with various other things in the program.